see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new warrior, welcome. I'm Raven, and I'll be taking you all with me on my journey to conquering rheumatoid arthritis. Also, it is Vlogmas day number 3. So ginger and turmeric are staple foods in my kitchen. So today I am going to show you how to make a super healing anti-inflammatory tea, turmeric ginger tea. There are so many recipes for this tea, but this is my version and it works for me. I drink it for the health benefits. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It reduces pain, inflammation, and stiffness related to rheumatoid arthritis, while ginger is used for nausea, digestive problems, decreased joint pain, and reduced inflammation. I'll also be adding a little bit of lemon juice. While the lemon is rich in vitamin C, it is also a great source of inflammation-fighting antioxidants, which are helpful for those with rheumatoid arthritis. And the cinnamon that we will be adding has properties that inhibit cell damage, which could reduce arthritis pain. So now that we have a little background information on the items that we will be using in our tea, let's get started. That is my video for today. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. If you have to subtract or add any ingredients for your taste buds, please feel free to do so. If you would like to see more tea recipes or if you suggest any, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure you all are subscribed and your post notifications are turned on. I love you all and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.